guys, and welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are good, and if you're new to this channel, hopefully you won't leave without subscribing. So in today's video, I'm doing another skincare video. So I'll be trying the shaving your face. The first thing I will use now is my face wipes. Yeah, I don't know if you guys can see. I'll be using this face wipe just so I can wipe up my face off. First thing you need to do, as I've watched the videos, you need to exfoliate your face and also cleanse your face. So right now I will just use my wipes just to wipe my face off, and then I'll probably use like an oil just so I can remove any dirt on my face. I don't have anything. I don't have any dirt on my face, as you guys would probably see. I don't, but I just wanna apply the products that I'll be using for you guys to see. It's the first time I'm trying this viral shaving your face trend that I've been seeing on YouTube. So yeah, I'll just let my face dry up a bit and then cover it, and then try to apply some oil on my skin. See, I have like a rash on my face and it's a bit scary. So I bought these shaving blades. One can use, you can use the shaving blades to shape your brows and also cut your lace, but today I'll be using the pink one since my head band is pink. So yeah, I don't know if I should zoom my face or leave it like this because my camera is losing focus for some reason and I'm annoyed. I don't know if I should use this BRAMLEY tissue oil or I should use this oil, but I think I should use like one of the oils right now. And I'm using my camera screen to actually see how it looks like, but now I think I just I'm sorry guys, I have a mirror and my tripod is a bit shivering. Okay, I think the best way for me to do this is to do it on camera, so just so you guys can see. I will use this. You guys probably have seen it on my channel, or I should, yeah, let me just use a makeup remover now because a lot of my oil is a bit too much. Okay, I'll just try to massage it gently on my face and not like rub it in, just so I can try and remove the hair. Okay, I'm a bit nervous because I don't want to cut my face. This is a very dangerous thing to do. So I don't want to try my face. Usually on the videos I've watched, they say you need to do it down and not move around. So let me try. Guys, I'm nervous because what if I do something on my face? The things we do for content. Hopefully you guys can see because I have a mirror here. I don't know how people do this. Guys, I'm very scared. that's not how people do it. Guys, I'm very scared. I need to calm down. Yeah, I'm doing it correctly. This is the hair. I don't know if you guys would see the hair on, but I'll try and remove them on this thingy. It's not really showing, but I'm trying. I don't know how I'm supposed to do this. A lot of people use Vaseline, but I don't have Vaseline, so I'll probably just try this oil because wow. This is new. Okay. I bought this today. The smell is not the type of smell I like because I love the coconut one. So let me try. Oh, it's not bad. The smell is good because I just put a lot of this product. I was gonna work on my other side of my face. I don't have a lot of hair on my face. This is what I just noticed now. This is the hair. Let me zoom it in so you guys can see properly. Okay, that's my face. You guys probably see now. I don't have a lot of hair on my face. I have sensitive skin, so this is how my face is on this side without the hair, right? I look pretty. Damn. Whoever wished to date me is lucky, because girl, this girl is so pretty. You see, with and without the filters. Purr. So I'm using this hand on this side, so I'll do it on off camera just so I can. I'll do it off camera because I don't want to cut my face. It just worked on my 5 o'clock shadow, baby. Cause can you guys see like the difference? I'm white, like my skin color just changed from, you see, I'm a bit caramel and now I'm lighter. I don't know. Hope you guys can hear the sound. It's very dangerous. I almost cut myself. Skin feels so smooth. I love what's going on my face. I'm trying to rub the products in on my skin. So loves, I don't know if you guys can see. This is, you see the dark spot here. That's how much hair I removed. And this is, I still have hair left on this. I don't know if you guys can see that. I'm trying to remove the hair. I don't have a lot of hair on my face. So yeah, you see those dark spots on this. That's how much hair I have left on this thingy. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you guys want to try this, please be careful. This is a very dangerous thing to do, and especially to use these things. These are very sharp. They might cut your face. So if you want to try this, please be very careful and don't say I said you should need to try this. I wanted to try this for myself, and I could see that it really did like a difference in my skin. My face is a bit softer. I don't know why my camera is not focusing, but I'll probably just show you guys the pictures that I took. You guys probably see it now. If you guys enjoy this video, please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Recommend any videos you want me to try, like skincare, anything, because I'm ready. I'm willing to do any skincare video that will help all the girls that have sensitive skin just like me. My skin has a bit like of a rash because I've been eating a lot of sweets and unhealthy things these days. Probably now my skin is reacting from all of the sweets that I've been eating. I hope you guys find this video informative, and I'll probably link all the videos that I've watched that has led me to even try this out. I hope you guys enjoy it. Please comment down below, and please also don't forget to turn your post notification bell so you guys can be notified whenever I post any type of video, since we're in Vlogmas now. So yeah, I'll see you guys on my next video.